Hello guys, I'm Robert. You guys know me as Celebrity Dog 707, where I do gaming videos on my channel. But today we're doing something a little bit different. We are going to start a new series on this we're going to start a new series on this 1979 Trans Am. I do not have any experience with this car, but my father has another car, which is a different model. But it is a Pontiac Trans Am, and he knows lots about them. So he will be helping me on this journey through creating this into a Rusto mod. That's basically what type of restoration I kind of wanted, the type of restoration I wanted. And so the backstory of this car is we bought it for a cheap price of $750. It came with no working motor, no working transmission, and no interior. So, yeah. I am 13 years old, I cannot work legally yet, and so I made a Patreon. So if you guys want to subscribe to that Patreon to help me out, I would gladly appreciate it. So, I wish you all a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.
Turn straight, turn straight, turn